boys and girls, so I told you if you needed a little bit of extra help and you wanted to look at each step on how to write word form or expanded form, I'd give you guys a little more guidance and guided practice with me. All right, so I have a quick guide to word form, writing the word form of a whole number up in front of you. Now, so you can follow these steps. First, circle the digits in a period. All right, so I can see that these digits are in separate periods in the number example below. So if I'm looking at the place value of each number, and since we haven't dealt with numbers that are 12 digits, we're just looking at 9 digits, I'm going to go ahead and just mark this out. So you don't have to worry about this. We're just going to work with the number that has 9 digits that's left, okay? So with the number that's left, we have separate periods, and we know how to name those periods as units, the thousands period, and the millions period. So we label our units with the periods known. And then the third thing we do is we read it to ourselves first. Remember, if you can read it out loud, you can write it as a word. So because you're going to write it the same way you read it. So we're going to say this is 307,200,016. 307,200,016 is how I read it in words. So I'm going to write it in words the same way. 307,000,000. You're going to put that comma to separate the period. 200,000. Comma to separate the units period. 16. Now remember, as I mentioned before, you're also going to have a notes page that you can refer to if you don't know how to spell a number. How to spell the numbers will also be in your notes page if you need some extra help.